Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essential checks and then enable the light. First, hold FN and press the backlight key. Many laptops use a function lock, so toggle that if nothing changes. Next, open keyboard lighting controls in your OS and set brightness. Make sure the system isn't overriding with a power saver profile. Also, connect the power adapter and restart the machine. Some firmware disables LEDs on low battery. Once done, move to driver and firmware validation. Now you focus on software that controls the light. Update the keyboard driver and chipset using Device Manager or the vendor updater, because outdated drivers can mute LEDs. Then check BIOS or UEFI for keyboard lighting options and apply any firmware updates. Follow the vendor instructions exactly and keep the laptop plugged in. Also open the manufacturer's lighting app and reset profiles. Sometimes per key RGB layers override the global setting. Once these are done, test the backlight again to see if it responds. Finish with hands-on hardware troubleshooting, and then decide on repair. If you can, power down, remove the battery if possible, open the chassis, and inspect the keyboard ribbon and LED connectors. Reseat them carefully because loose cables are common. If unsure, plug in a USB external keyboard to confirm the issue is internal. If the built-in LED remains dead after reseating and driver work, arrange professional service or a warranty replacement. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, log exact steps that reproduce failure for tech support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.